Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create stunning AI photos using the user created prompts on CapCut Dreamina. So this is the AI tool by CapCut Dreamina.capcut.com, and here on the Dreamina you can generate images, videos or music, but this is still on beta. So if you want to generate images to turn your videos into stunning image, here you can choose under the showcase. In here there are lots of prompt template that you can use for your photos. For example, in here I'm going to use let's try this one's right here. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to see the prompt first. Okay, let's try this one. You can click on use prompt. Here you can see this is the prompt. Now you can just select the model. Here you can adjust it, Dreamina or Dreamina XL Pro. I'm going to just leave it as it is. You can adjust the quality and the aspect ratio. I'm going to go with 1:1 in here, Instagram post size, and now you can just tap on generate. So let's just wait. You can see now it will sending and it will create the AI images for you. Okay, so now AI images has been created based on the prompt that I copy from other users on Dreamina. Here you can just which one that you want to download or use. For example, I'm going to download this one. Here you can see you can edit it again if you want to, but you can also directly download it by clicking on this download button. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.